Guys, kakatapos lang ng launch ng Xiaomi and announcing yung mga bagong phones, no, which is the Xiaomi 11T, 11T Pro, 11 Lite 5G. Nung nakita naman dito sa table ko, lahat ng tatlong variant meron tayo, no. And today, pag-uusapan natin, no, itong Xiaomi 11T Pro. And this is the latest flagship na nila ng Xiaomi, and this is the T series ng kanilang Mi 11 na series. And of course, syempre, ito yung pinaka-premium, pinaka-beast, no? Dito sa series na ito. Syempre, gusto natin i-unbox. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So hawak natin right now dito sa aking kamay is the kaka-unbox lang natin no, na Xiaomi 11T Pro. So nakita natin no, na almost strikingly similar sila ni Xiaomi 11T. And the only indicator dito para malaman natin no, na Pro version siya is meron siyang tatak sound by Harman Kardon dito sa ibabaw. Other than that, lahat, eksaktong the same sila ng Xiaomi 11T. So pag-uusapan natin today ang first impression ko dito sa phone na ito. No? So this phone has the latest chip ng Qualcomm, no? Which is a Snapdragon 888. 5nm chip siya, no? And of course, meron siyang 5G capability. So, lagyan natin sa maximum kanyang brightness. Kita natin, it's very bright. Matingkad na matingkad siya, no? And what I like about this one is yung kanyang max brightness niya is 1,000 nits. AMOLED display, Dolby Vision, 1 billion colors, guys. Imagine mo, 1 billion colors. Sobrang detailed, no? Sobrang refined ang kanyang colors dito, no? Pag, especially when you're watching videos, when you're taking some, videos, yung makita mo talagang very up to the last detail makita mo dito sa phone na ito. Which is, yun ang ganda, no, dito sa phone na ito. It's built for yung mga gusto mag-content creators, you know, yung mahilig sa videos. This phone is, I think, is perfect for you. Then, of course, syempre, with that in mind, pati gamers na top na ito, 120Hz of screen refresh rate, HDR10 plus pa, no? So, 6.67 ang kanyang, kanyang display, yung display size, no? Together with that is a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus na protection dito sa kanyang glass, no? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi siya pa sa scratch. But of course, tough siya, scratch resistant, pero of course, up to a certain level lang yan. Okay? So, siyempre, ingat pa rin tayo. Hanggat kaya, huwag natin pipilitin na masukat to. Huwag natin itatry na lang. Okay? Nakita natin, no, ang phone na ito at 120Hz of screen refresh rate, very, very smooth. Sabi ko siya, binigyan ko lahat ng multitasking dito, no. Sobrang smooth. Then, of course, it's running the latest, no, na Android 11 at MIUI 12.5.11. Yun ang kanyang out of the box, no. Ito yung lumabas sa nakuha ko, no, na version. And wala namang masyado napansin ng bugs dito sa version na ito. No. It's really nice. Now guys, may tatlong color variant tong Xiaomi 11T Pro, no. So meron siyang meteorite gray, moonlight white, and celestial blue. Now, hawak ko rito right now is the meteorite gray. Kita natin, no? Okay, magandang ganyang finish, no? Parang steel. Then, meron siyang mga kunting, mga linya-linya dito, no? So, makita natin, parang bakal na dinaanan ng steel brush ka na itsura. Pero very nice siya, no? What I like about yun sa mga phones ni Xiaomi na nilalabas nila is refreshing. Iniiba nila yung design konti para ma-feel mo, no, na parang kakaiba siya. Strikingly different when it comes to design. Which is one of the category na gusto ko dito sa mga nilalabas ni Xiaomi. Hindi boring ang kanyang mga design, no? Yun, for me, no, honest opinion ko dyan. So right now, ibigyan ko kayo ng quick tour, no, dito sa phone nito. Sila meron siyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, kanyang SIM tray na of course, most likely, magsusupport to ng dalawang nano SIM. Okay, so pag sundot natin, kita natin, no, dalawang SIM. Kasi ginagamit ko siya, no, as my daily driver. And yeah, kaya na maglagay ng dalawang SIM. And probably ang tanong sa akin is kung gagana ang dito SIM dito. Yes, gagana siya kasi yung isa ko dito is sa dito SIM. And of course, dito sa kabilang side, it's very clean. Sa ibabaw, kita natin ang kanyang IR. So, sa ibabaw, kita natin ang kanyang IR. Harman Kardon na print dito, no? Loudspeaker. And of course, ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Then sa kabilang side, kita natin ang kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button. And of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Then pag-usapan natin kunti ang kanyang camera, no? So, this phone has almost similar camera sa kanyang non-pro version, no? Then, starting off with the 108MP na aperture 1.8 na kanyang main sensor, which is, of course, yun ang pinamamalaki ni Xiaomi 11T, no? Then, sinamahan pa siya ng 8MP na ultra-wide lens, 5MP na tele-macro lens, okay? Then, ang ganda sa kanya dito is ang maganda kumuha ng video, maganda kumuha ng pictures, tong phone na ito. So, sa harap, meron din siyang 16MP, no, aperture 2.5 sa kanyang punch hole na camera dito. Napakita ko sa inyo ilang quick shots, no, na nakuha ko dito. So guys, itong phone na ito is the same sa kanyang non-pro version, 5,000 mAh na lithium polymer na battery. But fast charging na nito up to 120 watts na fast charging, no. So kaya na mag-charge up to 100% in just 70 minutes as advertised, no, ni Xiaomi. Then of course, PD 3.0 siya, and of course, Quick Charge 3 Plus. Which is pretty impressive, no, para sa kanyang device na ito, no. Then of course, syempre, support niya ang Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 na siya, 5G ready na siya, and probably all the specs na gusto niyo on a flagship is already inside this phone. So guys, bigay ko na sa inyo ang aking first impression dito sa phone na ito. It's pretty nice. What I like about it is ang ganda ng kanyang camera, taking those pictures, taking those videos. It's really nice. Guys, don't forget, no, I'll post the link below. I was able to shoot a full review and full video, no, dito sa phone na ito, which is very cinematic, no. The Ford territory na binidyo ko fully 100% using this phone. Tingnan na guys, I'll post it on the link below para ma-appreciate nyo yung ganda ng phone na ito, which is the Xiaomi 11T Pro. And of course guys, if gusto nyo malaman a more detailed review on this one, benchmarking, more photos, gameplay, and of course yung battery endurance, guys, I'll be doing the full review in the coming days, no, para dito sa Xiaomi 11T Pro. Now guys, probably pinakaantay na dito is the price of this phone na ang 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of storage dito sa Xiaomi 11T Pro is priced at 27,990 pesos. And of course, ang kanya higher variant, which is 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of storage is priced at 29,990. And I'll post the link below, no guys, kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito. And of course, marami silang freebies at pamimigay for pre-ordering. So guys, huwag kayong magpapahuli. I'm sure you'll really love this device. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi na ma-miss ang mga future videos ko dito sa aking channel. And ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?